Good morning or good afternoon. I keep saying good morning and it's actually good afternoon to you guys. But for me it's 10:20 a.m. Monday 22nd of January. And this week is definitely going to be better than last week, or so I hope. I started off by doing some yoga. I might or might not insert some footage of it in here, but yeah, I think I did for the last vlog. But yes, this week, same as before, I still have a bunch of papers to read. I actually have a few book chapters to read, and I have a book I need to find, so I think I'm running out of excuses to not go to Jahzzar. I might have to go to Jahzzar for realsies this time, or maybe next week. Let's see. I'm definitely going to UQAM on Wednesday. I think we're going to the gym once more. Let me see if I can remember to capture footage from that. And yeah, basically reading, keeping up with my exam, and I have another few things I should be doing that I might do, but yeah, I don't know. Lately I've been in a I'll do whatever I want whenever I want if I am in the mood, unless it's exam related, then I try to push myself. So that's what's going on this week. Let's see how it goes. Looks like he wants to read the papers with me. Do you want to read papers, Gracie? Is that it? Huh? Huh? Nah, I'm just a tool for them. I think he wants to get up there. This is how I'm reading lately. I have a reading partner, right? You're my reading partner, Grace. Hey guys, it's another Sunday. Again, I'm filming the outro on Sunday and we are actually editing the videos and getting all things scheduled for academic roast. Did I mention that Sundays are my favorite day because I get to play with academic roast and everything that it involves? So yeah, so this is where I'm ending the vlog. This week I got most of the things I wanted to do done and checked out of my list, so I'm kind of proud of that. I am still missing one chapter so that I can finish with all my readings, but I think I'm deciding right here and now that I'm actually going to start writing as I finish to read that last chapter because it's extremely dense. And also today I filmed a video that was requested over Instagram, and I wanted to say if you have any requests of things you would like me to show or record or do a video of, please leave it in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video as if you really liked it, and make sure you click that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And there are some other videos we're putting on the screen so that you may click on them and keep watching videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Watching. Thank you so much for watching. I can't even talk. It's Sunday and I can't even talk. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.